Hello and welcome back to Bioinformatics series of Explore Bio with Dr. Abhishek. Today I will show you how to download the entire genome and proteome of any organism, or how to download multiple genes, proteins or CDS sequences of an organism in Fasta format. If you want to do reference-based assembly or comparative genomics, develop SNP or other markers, phylogenetics, metagenomics, differential gene expression analysis, protein interaction network analysis, or any other large data analysis, having the complete genome or proteome sequence is the first step. Let me show you how you can download entire genome or proteome of an organism. For this, visit the official website of NCBI. Select the genome from the databases and search by organism name, for example Arabidopsis thaliana. You can also search by assembly name, bioproject or other IDs that you can find in the research papers. Verify the organism detail, and to download the FASTA formatted sequences, click on the three dots, choose the download option and select the desired sequence type you want to download. You can download whole genome, transcript, CDS sequences or protein sequences. All the files will be downloaded as zipped file. This might take some time depending upon the file size and the internet speed. After you extract the zipped file, you can view different files you have downloaded. For example, here you can see the protein sequences, CDS and others. You can open them using Notepad++. If you want to learn how to download individual gene or protein sequences, watch this short video. If you face any problem, comment below and I will try to help.